Most children are told what to do. Very few are taught how to think in sequences, and that's where learning gaps begin. Before children learn coding, before they learn robotics, they need to understand direction, sequence, cause and effect, conditions, repetition. When we introduce technology too early through screens, children consume logic. They don't build it. But what if logic could be touched, moved, rearranged? Meet Qobo. This is a screen-free programmable learning tool designed for early learning. Instead of typing code, children build logical thinking using physical instruction pieces. It comes with an interactive, foldable adventure map that creates a physical learning environment where children can visually plan and test their sequences. It works using a start signal, direction instructions, action triggers, condition-based logic, repetition patterns, and a defined goal point. Let's perform a quick activity to understand how this builds logic. There is a ruby hidden at the bottom of the Great Wall. You are requested to use only the forward card to reach the destination and get the gem. First, we define a starting point. Place the start tile. Now we choose direction instructions. Place 3 forward instructions. Finally, we define the destination. Place diamond tile.
Hello, Qobo is coming. How's it going? Game mode. Let's go. Forward. Forward. Forward.
What just happened? The child planned a sequence, predicted an outcome, tested a hypothesis, observed the result. That is early stage algorithmic thinking. Let's try a different sequence.
Game mode. Let's go. Forward. Forward. Please place me on the start card first.
Oops, Qobo is stuck. Here, failure becomes feedback, not frustrating. This is not about robotics. It's about structured thinking, logical sequencing, spatial awareness, pattern recognition, early debugging skills, and most importantly, confidence in problem solving. If you're working with early learners and want to introduce logic the right way, start with thinking before screens. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our screen-free coding course at MakersPlace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos